Just had a power cut or daylight saving time change? Here's a quick and easy guide on how to set the correct time on your LG MH6535GIB microwave. Step 1. Plug in and turn on. Make sure your microwave is plugged in and the display is active. Step 2. Press the clock button. On the control panel, press the clock button once to activate time setting mode. Step 3. Enter the time. Use the number pad to enter the current time in 24-hour format. For example, 1:30 p.m. equals 13:30. Step 4. Confirm the time. Press the clock button again to confirm. The display should now show the updated time. Tip: if you make a mistake, press Stop Clear and start over. That's it. Your LG microwave clock is now set. Like and follow for more appliance tutorials.